Good evening, everybody. Right now, I'm gonna make some dinner because I'm really hungry. I've been working out, and here's my amazing body. So, for my dinner, I like some protein. My protein of choice is steak. Of course, I'd like to eat my steak with some butter, and I would like some garlic. Of course, I'll need some rosemary, but I'm sure it's my secret pouch. So here's some rosemary, and I'm gonna be using my amazing knife. So all ingredients are here, and here's the pan. This time I'm gonna make sure you're not running away anywhere. Let's prepare the ingredients. But where do you think you're going? Come here. Now the pan is under control, let's introduce the best seasoning. Black pepper and salt. Oh, okay. Make sure it's sealed. This is from my mom, so I need to take care of it. Take the ingredients aside. Clear your station. Of course, there is one peel of the garlic. I need to keep it safe here. Yeah, extra garlics. Always nice. These are 2 pieces of steak, but since I'm eating alone, I'm gonna only use 1. So let's use the knife for the purpose I got it for this video. And here we go. Simple poke. I always get cling wraps stuck to my fingers. I don't know why. Oh, because they're clingy. Kill me, please. So slap the meat on the table, and now I need to. Where should I put this? Just throw it back there. Okay. Here's the piece of the meat, and as you can see, the amazing positioning of the ingredients is covering the view of the meat. The spoon is annoying me, so you know what? Just get out of the way. All right. So now with a splashy sprinkle of the it's a bad idea. So I splashed the entire table instead of the steak. So let's do it the normal way. Now use a dry hand and a wet hand. The wet hand will hold the steak, and the dry hand will spread the salt. As you can see, amazing. All right, we're done. I think enough. So now, yeah, more infusion. Now my hand is sticky with the meat. So yeah, give me a minute. I'm gonna wash my hands and come back. I really don't like touching the pepper grinder with, dirty hands. So always keep your hands clean. Anyways, so now we're gonna grind some fresh ground black pepper. My favorite. Actually, it's yeah. The most ideal way to eat black pepper is freshly ground. And now my hands are dirty again. Alright. I'm gonna wash my hands again. After a while, now I'm back. Hands ready. What was I doing here? Yeah. Ground some black pepper here. Alright. And more. More is less when it comes to black pepper, so here we go. Make sure this one is closed. Oh, the spoon. My mom's gonna kill me. Put the spoon back. Yep, here we go. All done. Now, we're gonna prepare the garlic. And as you can see, the amazing angle is blocking the view. But you get the idea. You just need to crush it and then peel it off. Again. By the way, this is intentional. I figured out that the black pepper grinder will be in the way, so I don't show you my secrets. So here we go. This one is a bit stuck, but it's not a tough job for a smart guy like me. 3 garlics. This one was not crushed, so here we go. Let's crush it. Alright. You need to crush it. Make sure you crush it, alright? And now I will use the rosemary. To be more precise, cling film, sorry. So to be more precise, I'm gonna use the rosemary, one strand of it. I don't know why I bought the whole thing, but yeah, can use it for later. So everything is ready. Now the pan is ready. Let's prepare the food. So here we go. As you can see, you start the fire by the middle one, and no, it's not the middle. Okay, this should be the no. This one is the middle. Yeah, no. All right, I got it this time. Yeah, here we go. Start your fires, drop your pan, and wait for it to heat. And you know my ritual, folks. One hand, not enough. Second hand, not enough. So we keep doing that as if you're, you know, working a dough or something. Until it's hot enough for both hands. You know the trick. Or, you know, you're doing this motion, trying to be cool. Nothing's happening, and then you smell hairs are burning, so you find out that your hair is burning. Add some flavor, I guess. And now you're gonna enjoy some repetition of useless long clip. And as it's tradition in every video, please try to voice over this video with this boredom. So here we go. Let's get the meat. Hold it with the knife like a pro and then flip it upside down, and here we go. Listen to the sizzle, guys. This is what you want to hear. 2 minutes later, now it's time to flip. So here we go, we're gonna flip it. There we go. Of course it looks really ugly right now. After a while it starts smoking, and now flip it. There we go. Now we're starting to see some colors. Give it some time, start smoking vigorously. Make sure you absorb and inhale all these fumes. Now you lower the heat, and you're gonna introduce the butter. You don't want to drop your butter on a very hot knife, even though it didn't take enough time to cool down, but whatever. Now with a piece of garlic, and let's drop in the rosemary. Here we go. Now I'm gonna show you some technique, but I can't use it with this spoon, so I'm gonna get a better spoon. There we go. Sound effect for you. So now this technique is called basting. It's just a simple term of splashing your steak with butter. Nothing fancy about it. Just tilt the pan and keep basting or splashing, whatever you want to call it. This goes on for a while, by the way, because the more you do that, the more flavor you will get from the butter to be infused in the steak. Would be nice if you take off the piece of garlic away and the piece of rosemary, put them on top of the steak, just like so. And now you keep basting. I noticed that both of them needs more crispiness, so I have to flip them on the garlic and the rosemary. You can see the color here. Of course, I don't have a good camera that can show you, you know, good food pictures, but here we go. After a while, I'm off basting. You can see how darker the meat is and how crispier the exterior. So this is done. Turned off the heat. Let it rest. I can't wait to dig in, to be honest. So here we go. As you can see, a very tilted view, because I care so much about, you know, professionalism and perfectionist. Can't wait to dig in this. So let's cut it in the cross section here. And then I realized I don't have a zoom in camera, so it tastes very good. This is amazing. What are these two? What do you want? Oh, screw you. And now let's dig. If you'd like that and you would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.